let's look at the equation editor in Equatio, but first, come over to the Equatio symbol right here, up click, go to options, and I want you to go to math options and make sure under prediction right here that these are all highlighted. That way it will start to predict when you're typing what symbols it thinks you're doing. So if yours doesn't have those, especially the math and the formulas turned on, make sure those are turned on. Now I'm in a Google Docs right now. If I go over to the equation editor and I want to, let's say I want to actually type 3x squared plus 2y cubed equals 12. So I'm going to get rid of this first. But notice how intuitive Equatio is. So if I start to spell it out, so I'm going to do 3x and type out squared SQ, and I don't even have to go further than that, and the squared pops up. I can even type in PL for plus, and it's there. 2YCU for cubed, and it's there. And even equals, I can spell that out. EQ equals. Again, you could also press the equal sign. And let's put in, what was it, 12? And now when you're ready to put that in your doc or in your slide, go ahead and do Insert Math. It will, right, so you can see it right there. I can resize it, you know, and move it around. But what's also nice is that it's also, usually this is an image and we can't, normally we don't change images, but if you left click on this image and go back into your edit math, and I want to change, let's say that 12 was just supposed to be a 1, and now if I go back into insert math, it will change that right away. Now I did notice in Google Slides it doesn't change your original image, it just puts in a new image, but they're still editable. And that's how you use the equation editor.